Welcome back to Good Food, guys. Today, Coca-Cola ribs. I have no idea what to expect, but we're gonna find out. Let's do it. For today's cook, I'm gonna be using these beautiful spare ribs. First thing I gotta do is remove the membrane, and here's how. For the rub, I'm going to be using Guga's world famous rub, and if you have not seen that video yet, make sure you check out the card above. Now that I got all my amazing seasoning on them, I'm going to let them marinate overnight in the refrigerator. Now these ribs look good already. I'm going to be smoking them on the Kamado Joe, and I'm using hickory wood. I have to be honest, they are looking fantastic, and now it's time for the Coca-Cola. First, I added some butter. So to give that sweet taste that Coca-Cola has, I also added some brown sugar, and then you know what's coming. Now it's time to finish them up, and I'm finishing them at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. We are ready for some Coca-Cola ribs. And we got my boy Angel here and his girlfriend Kayla. Are you ready to try, guys?
Yeah.
Coca-Cola ribs, what?
Coca-Cola ribs.
Okay, this is not a sponsored video. Angel is a big fan of Coca-Cola. That's why I wanted to make this. So, are you guys ready to try it?
Yeah.
All right, let's try it. Let's see. Go for it.
How hot?
Hold on. Shake it. Oh, I think it's tender. Go for it, Angel. Let's see. Is it hot? Tasty? How does it taste? We want to know. Tell the truth, Angel. Do not lie. We want to know the truth.
You remember Ninja? Delicious.
Really?
Yeah, it's
Is
good.
it good? Describe the flavor. Oh, Caleb got another bite. Never mind. I'm gonna try it. I'm excited.
We should have said it was bad and had you get scared.
Ooh, that's good.
Yeah.
That is good, guys. Wow.
Look, I'm about to see if it tastes like Coke.
I think it does taste a little bit like Coke.
It does not.
It does not? It's a different kind of taste that I'm used to, but it is delicious. Do you agree?
It's great.
Wow.
It's great.
Basting the sauce with the Coca-Cola and butter on top, thumbs up. It's really good. You guys like it?
It's really good, actually.
It's cooked perfect in my opinion, even though these here on the tip, which is more tender, fall off the bone, might be a little bit overcooked, but these right here, the bite is incredible. Check out the bite.
Well, when you have a couple more bites, you kind of can get like the taste of Coke, but it doesn't like.
It's not
initially,
overpowering,
yeah.
right? We got some smoke ring action. It's fantastic. I love it. You?
Love it.
Angel, give me a rating. Good, amazing, or delicious?
Delicious.
Kayla, what do you think?
It's good.
It's-
It's
Oh no!
No,
Kayla!
Good.
It's just good.
no.
Kayla doesn't like it that much. She just said it's good. But, you know, we respect.
It's amazing.
Now it's amazing.
Guys, it's good. I suggest that you give it a go. It's a different kind of taste, but it is fantastic, and I really, really like it. I hope you give this a try, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is on the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. We are out. You think it's gonna be enough for my wife?
No.
No? You gonna chop them up? We're gonna chop them up right away before my wife gets home. See you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, she's gonna see the video. She's gonna be pissed. We are out!
Do you think it tastes like Coke?
Yeah, but since he smoked it, you still taste the flavor of the smoke, I think. So you don't taste the Coke as intense. You get me?
I get you.